The Snapmaker U1 or the Flashforge Creator 5. Both of these printers are great if you're looking to do some zero-waste, multi-color or multi-material printing. But besides the brand, what's the difference between these two printers? Let's run through 6 key differences between them. The first thing, and the key thing, is the price. So the Snapmaker is currently $899, whereas the Flashforge Creator 5 is currently $699. So there's a $200 price difference, which is pretty big. But what do you get for that extra $200? Firstly is the build volume. So the Snapmaker U1 sports a 270mm cube build volume, whereas the Flashforge Creator 5 sports a 256mm cube build volume, which is more of a standard size. But as you can see here from comparing the two build plates, the size difference is very minimal, so I doubt this is a deal breaker for anyone. Next is the filament loading. So U1 has auto feeders for automatic filament loading, whereas the Creator 5 has manual loading only, which could be a deal breaker for some people, but for me personally this isn't a big deal. The manual loading on the Creator 5 is actually really easy and quite quick, but it is nice sometimes to have the automatic feeding on the U1. Next is the fact that both these printers are technically open top, neither of them ship with a lid. However, the Snapmaker has a back glass panel and a front door at least, whereas the Creator 5 is fully open top. Next is a filament purge container, which the U1 includes, which is very nice to see, whereas the Creator 5 just poops all over itself, which isn't ideal. However, you can just print your own DIY solution, such as this. But it would be nice to have one included with the printer. Lastly, for the key differences is something which is in the Creator 5's favour, which is the nozzles. The U1 ships with stainless steel nozzles, whereas the Creator 5 has hardened steel nozzles included, which makes it easier to print abrasive materials such as PLA or PETG reinforced with carbon fibre or glass fibre, as well as more simple things such as glow-in-the-dark filaments. A quick bonus point is the print quality difference between the two printers, and because this can be subjective, I haven't included it in the main list. But if I show you two prints, they're not identical prints unfortunately. If you can tell which one's from which printer, that would be pretty impressive, besides the fact this dragon might give it away. But the print quality is great on both of them. I don't think you sacrifice print quality by saving money, but I think the print quality is very good on both. Anyway, those are 6 of the key differences between the Snapmaker U1 and the Flashforge Creator 5. Hopefully this has helped you if you're trying to decide between the two. If you want to know my opinions on these two printers in more depth, then you can check out my YouTube channel where I've reviewed both these printers in separate videos.